Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about that is GK one-liner questions. That is part 13. Please check my playlist where you will find all the parts in a chronological order. So let us see what we have in our first slide. The Indian states that we were annexed by invoking the doctrine of lapse included. What are those states? Jhansi, Nagpur, and Satara. These are all the states which were annexed by invoking the doctrine of lapse. Now I am asking who had formulated this doctrine of lapse. You message me in this text. The school of painting developed independently during the Mughal period, that is the Kangra school. As you can see, in that they have developed, Mughals have developed Kangra school, that is, as you can see how exactly the painting looks like. This painting has been developed by Mughal rulers. During the time of Harshavardhana, the great Buddhist assembly was held at Prague. Please remember, Harshavardhana had encouraged the Buddhist assembly which was held that Buddhist council at Prague. The lower house of the Russian legislature, that is, please remember, we have the parliament of Russia, that is Duma, as well as Federal Assembly. So in this we have the lower house, that is Duma. Next we have the god with three heads and horns surrounded by animals represented on a seal from Mohenjo-daro is said to be Pashupati. As you can see how exactly the Pashupati looks like. Here there is a three-headed and horns surrounded by animals. So this was from the Mohenjo-daro. This is one thing we have to remember, that is Pashupati deity. A spherical balloon carries a uniform distribution of electric charge over its surface. The electric field is maximum just on the surface. This is one thing you have to remember. A spherical balloon carries a uniform distribution of electric charge over its surface. The electric field is maximum at just on the surface. The organization is required for the preparation of alcohol, that is fungi. So this is one thing we have to remember. What are the examples of fungi? Mushroom is one type of fungi. Here the organism is required for the preparation of alcohol. It is not organization. The organism which is required for the preparation of alcohol, that is fungi. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. Here about 800 plus question papers have been given and it has been segregated into various parts. Next we have the Mahatma Gandhi was first called as the father of nations by, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. So here as a father of nation has been called by Subhash Chandra Bose, but the word Mahatma has been given by Rabindranath Tagore. Triple antigen is administered to prevent the attack of diphtheria, tetanus and whooping cough. This is one thing, as you can see how exactly the DPT vaccination has been given for the children. That prevents whooping cough, tetanus and diphtheria. This triple antigen be given for the each and every one. The compounds are responsible for acid rain, that is dioxides of nitrogen and sulfur. This is one thing you have to remember. So acid rain is formed because of nitrogen dioxide as well as sulfur dioxide. The capital of Eastern Chalukyas, that is Vatapi. Please remember the capital of Eastern Chalukyas was Vatapi. Now the study of interaction of antigenes and antibodies are called hematology. In this, the interaction of antigens and antibodies study is known as hematology. The most effective carrier of information, we knew that optical fibers are used for the effective communication purpose. The element which is necessary for the synthesis of hemoglobin, that is one thing you have to remember, that is iron. Iron is very essential element for the synthesis of hemoglobin, for the transportation of oxygen. The Social Democratic Party and Christian Democratic Party are two major parties in Germany. As you can see to the right side, how exactly it looks like Social Democratic as well as Christian Democrats. These are the two parties which are exist in the Germany. During the Gupta period of Indian history, village affairs were managed by the village headman with the assistance of Gopa. So they are known as Gopa, who has been assisting the managed for the village headman. So the village headman is assisted by the Gopa during the time of Gupta period. The complete TV signal has a bandwidth of 2 into 10 to the power of 6 heads. That is to be remembered. The complete TV signal has a bandwidth of 2 into 10 to the power of 6. That is mega. The red blood corpuscles are also known as erythrocytes, which are made in the bone marrow. We knew that the place where they are formed is bone marrow. Theosophist, educationist, and Indian nationalist leader. This description fits for the Annie Besant. We knew that who had formulated Theosophical Society? Annie Besant. As you can see, how exactly Annie Besant, an autobiography of Annie Besant. She had written the book herself. We have the tuberculosis, that is TB, caused by the bacteria, and we knew that Bacilli calmette gurion vaccine is given for the tuberculosis disease. The light waves are which type of waves? They are transverse as well as electromagnetic radiation. The first navigator who had sailed round the earth and proved the shape of the earth is round was discovered by Ferdinand Magellan. He is the guy how exactly he had sailed around the world and proven that the earth is in a round shape. A vein is a vessel that carries blood with high concentration of carbon dioxide. So this is one thing you have to remember. It carries high concentration of carbon dioxide, that is vein. The toxic gases in the environment lowers the resistance to pneumonia in the human beings, that is nitrogen dioxide. So in this what happens is it in the environment lowers the resistance to pneumonia in the human beings, that is nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2. The one who have passed away on the Vishaka Purnima, it means he died on Vaishaka Purnima, he was Lord Buddha. So he had died at Kushinagar on Vaishaka Purnima, that is Lord Buddha. Bionics is the science of application of knowledge of the living world, that is bionics. As you can see, the characteristics to the world of mechanics, how the limb have been replaced by the mechanical limb. As you can see, global bionics market size study by product type, by application and regional forecast, how exactly it has been changed. You can have a great look in it. The sugar present in the considerable amount in the blood is, that is glucose, which is the sugar which is present in considerable amount in the blood, that is glucose. The blood is oxygenated and purified in the lungs. We knew that the blood is oxygenated and purified in which place? That is in lungs itself. Absorption of gases by metals is known as occlusion. Please remember, whatever the absorption of gases by metals is known as occlusion. Mentrons carry no charge at all. So what are the mentrons? They carry no charge at all. The tincture of iodine is used as an antiseptic. It is a solution of iodine in alcohol. As you can see to the right side, how exactly this iodine tincture. So this is tincture of iodine is used as an antiseptic. It is used as an antiseptic against wounds. It is a solution of iodine in alcohol. So iodine has been mixed with the alcohol, that is tincture of iodine. So this is one thing which I want to share. So I hope all these questions which are relevant to the general knowledge and general science question will help you a lot. So please go through step by step. You will understand each and everything. If you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on my mobile or you can message me by WhatsApp. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.